Hello, everybody, on this beautiful Sunday. It's cloudy out, 70 degrees currently at our station. Quick update. Let's go ahead and get started right with that update. I do have some changes. Of course, let's get started with the right graphic. That would be great. An enhanced risk level 3 out of 5 for severe thunderstorms has been issued for all of northern Alabama, where there is now a higher chance of tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail. Areas east of I 65, including regions like DeKalb, Jackson, Marshall, are also under enhanced risk as of now, a level 3 of 5, with potential for damaging winds, hail, flooding, and a tornado threat as well for Sunday into Monday. It does weaken a bit as it comes in overnight, so keep that in mind. Stay alert and ensure you're prepared for severe weather. Keep an eye on forecasts and, of course, have a way to receive warnings quickly if they're issued, and your safety is, of course, our top priority. Let's take a quick look at the individual hazards outlook here by the National Weather Service Huntsville. Highest confidence in significant severe hazards is, of course, over northwest Alabama still. As a line of storms moves southeast, the severe threat is forecast to lessen during the morning hours on Monday. Tornado threat, 15% risk for northwest Alabama, 5% risk elsewhere. So if you are west of I 65, you've got a 15% risk, hatched risk of tornadoes. If you're along and east of I 65, you have a 5% risk. Basically, the rest of all of northern Alabama in our listening area. As far as the wind outlook goes, it's pretty high. That's actually high along I 65 west into northwest Alabama. They're pretty high up risk right there for some damaging winds. That's very concerning. Like 45, I believe, plus chance there, with 30% elsewhere for the rest of North Alabama. Hail, mainly along and west of I 65, but we can still see some hail up to a quarter size here. That would be 1 inch in diameter hail. Now, let's take a look at the severe weather outlooks. Of course, showing it a little bit closer up. You know that we have been issued, put under that level 3, all of North Alabama. Enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms as we go on, of course, today. Gusts up to 60, 65 miles per hour. That's rather high confidence. A tornado or two, kind of midway. It is on a little bit on the lower side, but again, midway with that. Hail 1 to 2 inch in diameter. Also, confidence levels like middle. So, something we're going to watch. Late tonight through early Monday morning. Of course, review your severe weather action plan. Have multiple ways to receive warnings. Now, let's move on to Monday's outlook. System slides southeast. We start to slowly get out of the severe threat. Everything kind of starts to move out from the northwest to the southeast. Still a threat of some severe thunderstorms up to 60 miles per hour, about medium confidence, a tornado or two, lower confidence at this point, and hailed up to 1 inch of diameter, lower confidence. So this is more than less what we're going to be looking at. But we're also going to be watching for some thunderstorms development today, of course, overnight and into Monday morning. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on this, and you should do the same. Make sure that you do. Now, let's talk about the timing on this. Timing, it hasn't changed crazily, but it has changed a little bit. Most likely timing will be for northwest Alabama, the 1 there, Florence, Russellville area, 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Areas like, let's say, Huntsville, Fayetteville, Tennessee, and a 2 there, 3 a.m. to 5 a.m., and then clearing northeast Alabama. Looks like around 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. So that's just an estimated timeline there for that. And also want to bring up, we do have a threat. We're watching Wednesday as well. So that system could be one of the more robust systems, but right now we'll just call it a threat because there's not a lot of details this far out. So we will just say that there's a possibility at this point. I won't go much further than that. Rainfall totals, there's also a possibility of some heavy rain and flash flooding. Areas mainly impacted, ponding and low-lying areas of poor drainage, pretty high potential of that causing some flooding. Overall, localized flash flooding, kind of on the low side, widespread flooding, lower end. So there is a possibility we're going to get some heavy rain, out of this, most likely. So let's get ready to wrap it up. And, of course, thank you to our sponsors. It's going to be Mr. Dylan Snyder at Alabama Living Real Estate for all your real estate needs. You can give him a call at 256-979-4330. And thank you for being a sponsor for, I believe, 3 or 4 months now. Thank you so much for your continued support. We definitely couldn't do it without you. Thanks so much. And also thanks to our next sponsor, that's going to be RKG Automotive Group. For all, more information, you give them a call at 256-572-6586. And this will be their first month. We do appreciate you sponsoring us for the first month. We definitely appreciate all we can get. And, of course, go check both of them out on Facebook. See what you think. You'll be impressed, I promise you. Go check them out. All right, let's get ready to wrap it up here at 2:31 p.m. on your Sunday. God bless. Have a great rest of your day. Be safe, be weather aware, and we'll see you on the next update. Take care, everybody.